Hey folks, welcome to the Spokane BBQ Company. My name is Randy Howell. Today we're going to do a whole chicken, but we're going to do it spatchcock style. This is something that I've gotten a lot of requests for. People ask a lot about it, so let's do one just to see what's going on with it. So spatchcock chicken just means we're going to cut this spine out of the back, and we're going to take it and butterfly it so that it's a mirror image of itself on the other side. So to do that, a couple different methods. If you've got some nice sharp scissors, just turn the bird over and just start on one side and just start clipping down just like this. The other method is if you got a knife, and just cut right through it. Just like that. Beautiful. We'll cut through this. And that we can actually, there you go, tear that out. Now I'm going to do the other side. Let's see if we can cut this. There we go. So we've done it. We got the spine out of there. Now we're going to take our bird, we're going to turn it over, we're going to spread it apart. Just like that. Beautiful, right? So it's going to lay on the grill like this, and it's going to get that heat from the inside as well as the top, and it's going to cook that bird down. So now let's season the grill, or season the bird. On this one we're just going to do a little bit of oil on this to kind of help the rub stick to it. We're going to massage the bird. Just like that. That was my Julia Childs. Alright. Then today I'm going to use a garlic chili rub. This has got a great flavor. I actually got this at Costco. So if you're ever at Costco, look around for it. Garlic chili rub. I'm not sure who makes this. Just like that, yeah. Get it all over. Let's go the inside here. Now you can inject this bird if you want to. If you guys want to do like use some chicken stock and then some kind of booster, you know, for flavor, that's definitely up to you. I mean, that's fine. We're not going to do that on this one, but I'm also going to flavor the inside of this too a little bit. And I just want some of this on that thigh meat in there, down in that leg, on both sides. And then a little on the inside here. And this will be the inside of the breast meat. And that's it. God, it's beautiful. Alright. So while our grill is heating up, we're going to let this set for a minute, let all that rub soak in, give it about a good, I don't know, a few minutes, 10 minutes if you want to. Let that set in, and then we're good to go. We're going to get this on the grill, and we'll be right back. Alright folks, here we go. Let's cook ourselves a spatchcock chicken. So this is set up as indirect heat. I got my plate down in there, and that's going to block that heat from directly hitting the chicken. And ideally we want to cook this at about 350 degrees. I'm going to tuck these wings back here behind his head so it looks like he's chilling, but maybe I'm not. There it goes. Alright, we'll leave him. But there we go. We're going to let that chicken go, and then we're going to give it probably 45 minutes, 30 minutes. We're going to check on it. At the end of this, we're going to glaze it with a barbecue sauce. It's just going to take it over the edge. We'll be right back. Folks, thanks for hanging out with us. I really appreciate it. So now we're going to go ahead and check this chicken that's on the Commander, our Spatchcock Chicken. We're going to take a look at it, see what we got going, and then we'll be flipping it. So here we go. Oh, that's looking good. Woo! That is grilling nice. Alright, so we flipped it over. We're going to let that go for just a bit longer. I don't know how long, but I'll tell you after we get that point. Who knows? It's a mystery. Alright, we'll be right back. Hey folks, thanks for hanging out with us tonight. I appreciate it. That chicken's ready. So I've temped it. We're right where we should be. So right now, oh yeah, that's looking good. So we're going to put a little barbecue sauce over the top of this and just kind of let that sauce glaze on there. Oh. There we go. And I'm going to brush that in there. Just try to spread that out, get a nice thin coat, and then we're going to let that glaze. And you're going to get this nice stickiness to it. Man, that's going to be good. Alright, let's do the other side. And for those of you wondering, I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's. It's a honey barbecue sauce. Wife and kids seem to like it. Now, if you make your own barbecue sauce, that's great too. You know, obviously you can use whatever you want on this, and it's your dinner. It's what you're gonna do. So I want you to be happy with it. There we go. We'll get inside those wings, those armpits, or whatever you want to call them. Oh, beautiful. Alright, perfect. So we're just going to let this glaze up. It's about 10 minutes is all we're going to do on there. It'll get nice and sticky on there, and we're going to cut her up and start eating. BRB. Alright folks, thank you for hanging out with us. This chicken is done. We are there. Check this out. So we have our nice glazed chicken. That barbecue sauce is on there. This is ready to go. Oh yeah. So that is looking awesome. I can't wait to dig into this. So I'm just gonna, normally I would let this rest for a while, but I think I'm a little too excited about to do that. So I'm gonna get this 1200 degree sauce off of me. There we go. I think I'm gonna use this knife and I'm gonna cut into this. Oh man. There's some quarters. There's your chicken breast. Man, this is just looking fantastic. If you guys could smell this, you would know. Sorry to block your view. There you go, folks. That is, oh. So we got our chicken quarters here. We got our wings. We got our breast. And just to kind of give you an idea. I mean, look at that. Beautifully done. I'm going to cut into this a little sideways. Oh, that meat's just falling apart. I can't take it. I gotta try a piece. Wow. So moist. That chicken is so moist. I had to swallow, so I wanted Dave to show you the chicken and not me chewing. So he thought that would be great. I didn't. So anyway, folks, this is it. This is the chicken quarters, the chicken breast. We got the wings on there. I mean, that flavor from that barbecue sauce. We put that rub on there. And we just let that thing go. We were cooking that about 450 on there, and it took about about an hour and 10, hour 20 minutes to get it all the way to this point. So it was absolutely fantastic. This thing is just a beast. I'm going to take another. Oh yeah. Woo. All right. So we're about to eat, folks, and so I'm going to say goodbye to you. Thank you so much for joining us, watching the video, hanging out with us while we cook this chicken. I appreciate it, and I know Dave appreciates it. You guys are awesome, and I love the comments down below. You guys are freaking rad. So thank you so much. I want to say hi to everybody on Twitter, Instagram, on the Facebook, Spokane BBQ Company, guys. Thank you. Have a great night, and we will talk to you later.